Welcome, my name is Omeni Hutukudire. I'm an affiliate marketer. PiggyVest is a very big name in the Nigerian fintech industry, and in this video I will show you how to sign up for a PiggyVest affiliate account here in Nigeria. If you don't know what PiggyVest is a savings and investment platform where you save your money and invest in different investment sectors here in Nigeria. PiggyVest offers a huge interest rate in their savings platform from 8 to 10% in your savings in their platform per annum, and their return on investment is determined by the company offering the investment. To sign up for a PiggyVest affiliate account, click on the link in the description box below and you'll be taken to this page. When you get to this page, you will see the welcome message that says the better way to save and invest. At the top right hand side, you will see options that says save, invest, stories, FAQs, which means frequent asked questions. Log in, create a free account. Move your cursor to the option that says create a free account and right click on that option. When you right click on that option, you will be taken to the registration page. When you get to the registration page, you will be greeted with a welcome message that says create a secure account. Right under this message, you will see the option to enter your full name, email address, and make sure that this your full name appears as it is in your bank account. If you have your three name in your bank account, that is your first name, your middle name, and your surname is right in your bank account, make sure that you enter that name as it is in this first option that says full name. If you only have your first name and your last name registered with your bank account, make sure you enter it exactly as it is in your bank account in this option. Make sure you enter your full name as your name appears in your bank account in this first option. Select the option that says email address. Enter your email address. Enter your personal phone number. When you are done entering your personal phone number, you have to enter your password. Right under this option that says enter your password, you will see another option that says referral phone or promo code, and you will see a little bracket that says optional. Right under this information, you will see a little box. In this little box, you are not to enter anything inside this box, neither are you to remove anything from this box. Just leave it as it is and move to the next option that says how did you hear about us. Right click in that box and you will get this drop down message under it. In this drop down message, you will see options like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google search, friends or family and co-workers, Google Play Store. Select the option that says friends and family. When you select this option, scroll down a little bit and click on the option that says create account. When you click on the option that says create account, you will be taken directly into your dashboard. When you get directly into your dashboard, you will be able to see your name at the top left hand side, either your last name, your first name, or your middle name. Scroll down a little bit, you will see the option that says to-do list. Under to-do list, you will see the first option that says verify your email address. Right click on the option that says verify your email address and you will get this pop-up message in your screen. When you get this pop-up message, you will see a little toggle animation switch at the left hand side of this pop-up page. Make sure you turn on this toggle animation switch. Once this toggle animation switch is turned on, move your cursor to the bottom side of this pop-up page that says send verification. Right click on this send verification and you will get a verification link in your registered email address. Open your email address and right click on the link sent into your email address by PiggyVest, and your email address has been successfully verified with PiggyVest. The second option says add your BVN or NIN now. Right click on the option that says add your BVN or your NIN now. That's the second option. You will also get this pop-up message in your screen. When you get this pop-up message on your screen that says verify your identity, you will see two options
options. The first option says use your BVN, verify PiggyVest using your bank verification number. You will also see the second option that says use your NIN. Beside the option that says use your NIN, you will see a bracket open and a bracket closed. Inside this bracket, you will see the option that says paused. But I don't know when you are watching this video, maybe this pause has been removed from this option. Select the first option that says use your bank verification number, that's your BVN. When you select the option that says verify using your bank verification number, that's the first option, you'll be taken to another page inside this pop-up page. And when you get to this page, you will see the option that says connect your BVN. Right under this option, towards the bottom side of this page, you will see where it says BVN number. To get your BVN, text *565*0#. Then right under this information, you will see a blank box. In this blank box, this is where you will have to enter your bank verification number. Once you enter your bank verification number in this box, right under this page at the bottom side, you will see the option that says validate BVN. Right click on validate BVN and your BVN has been successfully connected with your PiggyVest account. Your bank information is secured with PiggyVest, so you don't have to be afraid of any kind. Click on the third option that says tell us more about yourself. Once you click on that option, you will get a side pop-up message on your screen. On this pop-up message, you will be able to fill your date of birth, your relationship status, your employment status, how much you earn in a year. It's just filling information about yourself in this page. Once you are done filling the information, click on the option that says finish. You will see that at the bottom side of the pop-up message. Once you click on finish, your information will be saved. Move your cursor down, you will see the fourth option that says securely add a valid debit card. Once you click on that option, you will get a pop-up message on your screen. When this option comes up on your screen, you need to enter all your card related information and click on the option that says pay 100 naira. Once you click on that option that says pay 100 naira, each and every single day, PiggyVest will debit your card 100 naira and this 100 naira will be added to your PiggyVest savings account here on the platform. But if you don't want to add your debit card, just leave the option that says add a valid debit card. But if you want to add a valid debit card so that PiggyVest can debit your card each and every single day and save your money here in the platform, follow this step that I'm going to highlight for you. Once you click on pay 100 naira, you'll be taken to this new page. Then enter your card information in this page and right click on the last option that says pay with 100 naira at the bottom side of the pop-up message. Then your card will be linked with your PiggyVest account. The next option says set your security questions. Now move your cursor to that option and right click on that option. Then you will get a side pop-up message on your screen. On this message, you will see the message that says set new security questions. To set your new security questions, you will see something like a green box right after this information that says set a new security question. This box says tap to generate OTP. Right click on that option that says tap to generate OTP and you'll be taken to this OTP page. On this next page, you will see an information that says you have successfully generated an OTP. Your OTP will be sent into your email address or your mobile number you entered during the registration. So copy that your OTP number and come back to this page, fill in your security question and your security answer. The last option is where you will enter the OTP that was generated for you by PiggyVest. Then right click on the option that says set security question. Then the last option says redeem your 1000 naira bonus. When you sign up for a PiggyVest account, whether you sign up for an affiliate account or you sign up for a savings and investment account in the platform, PiggyVest will give you 1000 naira sign up bonus right inside your dashboard. So there are a few steps to take to redeem this 1000 naira. To redeem this 1000 naira, right click on that option that says redeem your 1000 naira bonus, which is the last option in this page. When you click on the option that says redeem your 1000 naira bonus, you will get this sidebar pop-up message on your screen. This pop-up message says redeem your 1000 naira safe lock bonus. Once you get this message on your screen, screen. There are two things that you need to do for you to redeem this your 1000 naira safe lock bonus. To redeem your 1000 naira safe lock bonus, you need to transfer at least 100 naira to your Flex wallet account. That's the first option. So to transfer a minimum of 100 naira to your Flex wallet account, click on the little icon at the top right hand side of your screen and you will also be taken to this page. On this page, you will be able to see your full name you entered during the registration, and if you have successfully connected your BVN with your PiggyVest account, right under your name at the left option you will see your Flex account number on that option if you have successfully connected your BVN to your PiggyVest account. Let me show you how your Flex wallet account number will appear with my own real account, because this account I'm creating here is because of this tutorial. This is not my real account. So as you can see, this is my own Flex wallet account right under my name at the first option in your left hand side. Don't transfer to this account that I'm showing to you right now. This is my own Flex wallet account number. If you transfer to this account, the money will go straight into my own account. So I'm just using it to show you an example how your own Flex wallet account number will appear if you successfully connect your BVN with your PiggyVest account. So if you have successfully connected your BVN with your PiggyVest account, your Flex wallet account number will be generated for you by PiggyVest. All you need to do is to transfer a minimum of 100 naira or more to this bank account. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will advise you to transfer a minimum of 1500 naira if you have it to this your PiggyVest Flex wallet account number, and I will tell you why. If you transfer a minimum of 1500 to your PiggyVest Flex account number, this will help us successfully redeem our 1000 naira sign up bonus when we get to the second option. So if you have successfully transferred a minimum of 1500 naira or more to your PiggyVest Flex account number, all this money are yours. So don't be afraid you are giving it out or it's going to another person. No, all the money is your own money. So once you have successfully transferred a minimum of 1500 or more to your PiggyVest Flex account number, come back to this page, click on redeem your 1000 naira bonus. Once you click on redeem your 1000 naira bonus, you will also get this pop-up side message on your screen. We have completed the first option that says transfer 100 naira to your Flex wallet account. Now let's go to the second option. Close this page and click on the option that says Flex Naira. When you get to this page, you will see different savings platform and opportunity right inside this PiggyVest savings and investment platform. At the top left hand side of your screen, you will see the option that says Piggy Bank. Right click on Piggy Bank and you'll be taken to your Piggy Bank account. Right here inside your Piggy Bank account, at the right hand side, you will see the option that says Quick Save. Right click on Quick Save and you get this pop-up message on your screen. It says type here to enter amount. Then type on the first option and enter 1000 naira. On the second option, you will see where it says choose a destination. Right under choose a destination, you will see a box. In this box, it already says my Piggy Bank. So leave it in the option that says my Piggy Bank and click on proceed. When you click on proceed, you'll be taken to this new page. On this new page, you have to select payment option. Click any of the payment option below to quick save immediately. So you will see three options here for you to choose one of them. The first option says use PiggyVest wallet. Second option says use a new card. Third option says pay with bank. So if you have transferred the 1500 naira I advised you earlier on this video, you will select the option that says use PiggyVest wallet. That's the first option. But once you select the first option that says pay with PiggyVest wallet, you will get this pop-up message on your screen that says pay with Flex wallet. Once you get this pop-up option, you are about to quick save 1000 naira using the selected payment method. Click on the option that says confirm and your PiggyVest Flex wallet account will be successfully debited and your money will be added to your Piggy Bank account. All this money are yours, so you don't have to be afraid afraid. You still have access to this money. You can withdraw this money at any time you want. So PiggyVest is taking this safety precaution to make sure that you are not a robot that is being added to the platform, that you are a real human being who is here to use the platform for real business. So that's why they are taking all these safety precautions. If you didn't transfer the 1,500 naira I advised you earlier, then you can select the second option that says use a new card, or you select the third option that says pay with bank. We have successfully redeemed our 1,000 naira sign up bonus. To get your referral link, click on the little icon at the top right hand side of your dashboard and you'll be taken to this page. On this page, look for the option that says referral earnings. Right click on that option and you'll get this sidebar pop-up message on your screen. On this side pop-up message, you'll be able to view your referral link in the little box provided. So to start investing your money in the PiggyVest investment opportunities, you don't need to invest only 1,500 naira. You invest from 5,000 and above. That is each unit. That's what is being sold here in PiggyVest. As at the time I'm making this video, the price might come down by the time you are watching this video, or it might go up by the time you are watching this video. So if you are interested to invest in the PiggyVest investment opportunity, then on the left hand side you will see options that says home, savings, investment, account. Click on the option that says invest. When you click on the option that says invest, you'll be taken to this new page. On this new page, where you have the option that says my investment, explore, complete, move your cursor to the second option that says explore if you have not invested in this platform before. So once you get to that option that says explore, you will be able to see the list of investment opportunities available in this platform. So if any investment opportunity is available here in the platform, the option will be green where it says sold out. Once you see the option that says sold out and the button is red, it means that this investment opportunity is no longer available. It has been sold out. So you need to wait for the next investment opportunity to be out, and PiggyVest will not tell you or let you know when the next investment opportunity will be out, or when that investment opportunity is up and running. You won't get notified. So what I do is every Monday and every Friday I come to this platform and I check if there is any investment opportunity that is available here on PiggyVest. So if there is any, I will rush and invest my money into that investment opportunity. If you wait for PiggyVest to let you know when the investment opportunity is out, my dear, you won't know when the investment opportunity is out, and the investment opportunity will be sold out right before you could know it. So if you invest in the platform, your investment will be stored on my investment. That is this first option if you have any investment in the platform. So the third option says completed. If you click on completed, you'll be able to see the number of investments that have successfully completed and you have cashed out your money from the platform. Watch the next video showing on your screen right now to learn how you can find high converting products on the JVZoo affiliate marketing program.